Let's make our Pang Negosyo hot brewed coffee drinks that's available in our Hot Brewed Coffee Business Guide. Prepare freshly brewed coffee. Weigh your ground coffee bean blends. Then add your ground coffee to the filter basket and close the filter compartment securely. Then place the coffee pot on the warming plate. Fill the water reservoir with clean drinking water. Then press the power on button to start brewing. Allow the machine to complete the brewing cycle. First, drink hot brewed Americano. In your selling cup, pour in your hot brewed coffee. Hot water. Then stir well. Serve hot. Add sugar and stir on the side, in case customers like their coffee Americano sweet. Next drink is Hot Brewed Coffee Latte. In your selling cup, pour in hot brewed coffee. Hot water. Stir well. Add creamer, sugar, then stir well. Serve hot or serve black with sugar, creamer, and stir on the side. Next drink is Hot Brewed Mocha Latte. In your selling cup, pour in hot brewed coffee. These hot brewed coffee drinks are also perfect for your daily coffee at home. Hot water. Cocoa powder. Condensed milk. Stir well until fully combined. Serve hot. Hot brewed Spanish latte. In a selling cup, pour in your hot brewed coffee. Hot milk. If you'd like these hot drinks for your own coffee business, you can check our Hot Brewed Coffee Business Guide. Details are available in the description box below. It includes complete recipes, step-by-step procedures, costing and pricing guide, plus editable business materials to help you get started. Add condensed milk. Stir well. Serve hot. In a heating pot or pitcher, pour the required milk. Heat the milk until hot and don't let it boil. Froth hot milk using handheld milk frother until it becomes light and foamy. Tap the pot gently to remove the large air bubbles. Hot brewed caramel macchiato. In your selling cup, pour in hot brewed coffee. Salted caramel sauce. Stir well. Spoon the milk foam. Pour the remaining hot milk. To finish, drizzle caramel sauce on top. Serve hot. Hot brewed cappuccino. In a selling cup, pour in hot brewed coffee. Spoon your milk foam. hot milk. Sprinkle or dust with cocoa powder on top. Serve immediately, then add sugar and stir on the side in case customers like their cappuccino sweet. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next Negosyo vlog.